Okay guys, cleaning the fence. Here's the babies in the first nest, and I'm just trying to be careful. I've got all these canes. I've got some dead ones here I'm trying to eliminate without disturbing them. But whenever I move stuff, every now and then, one guy will pop his head up. Oh, I see more eggs underneath. I see another egg under there. So these are probably definitely robin eggs. But super cute. Oh, look, 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 look. Oh, they're precious. Alright, I'm gonna try to not disturb them. Keep you updated. Okay, I've got all this cleaned up, so I need to come clean up all this, but let's take a peek on the baby birds today. Oh, look at them. They're getting so big. Oh my goodness. And then I have another one down here. It was just robin eggs, but come on, buddy. I got my doggy with me. I got my doggy chibis with me. Alright, I got another one right over here. Oh, Mama just flew away. She's like, what the hell? Oh, look at that. Okay, I'm not gonna hurt him, Mama. There's Mama. Okay, just taking a peek. We're done. Oh, and maybe Daddy. Alright, we're out of here. Oh, I better go get those headphones. Alright, guys. We'll see you later. So you can see Mama dear. Hi. Hi. Oh, you guys are big babies now. Wow. Look at you guys. Can you come a little closer? I just want to see you guys. Oh, wow. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, you're fine. All right, Mama. I'm not going to hurt him. I'm just looking. I'm just looking. I'm not going to hurt him. Okay. All right, all right, all right. Okay. Uh-oh. Go on, back to your bed. Go on, scooch, scooch. Back to Mama. Go on. Go on, back to Mama. It's okay. Almost there. Go on. Go on. Go on. It's okay. Almost there. Come on. Back to Mama. There you go. Almost there, buddy. Go ahead. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. There you go. Alright, we're gonna back up. I didn't think they'd fly the nest. Okay.